my name is Princess and today I'm excited to explain the fascinating process of photosynthesis. This essential function not only sustains plant life but also supports all life on Earth. Imagine a world where sunlight, water, and air come together to create food and oxygen. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's science. The big question is, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a remarkable process that occurs in the leaves of plants, specifically in tiny structures called chloroplasts, which contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. This process converts light energy from the sun into chemical energy stored in glucose, a type of sugar. Did you know that chlorophyll absorbs most wavelengths of light except for green? That's why plants appear green to our eyes. Remarkable, right? The general equation for photosynthesis is, in simple terms to explain the equation above, plants take in carbon dioxide and water, and with the help of sunlight they produce glucose, which serves as food, and oxygen, what we breathe. An example of photosynthesis can be seen in the aquatic plant Elodea. Commonly found in ponds and lakes, Elodea performs photosynthesis underwater, thereby ozonating water. Photosynthesis has two fascinating stages. Let's dive in. Stage 1. This is called the light-dependent reaction. This occurs in the thylakoid membrane of chloroplasts. Picture this. Sunlight hits the chlorophyll, exciting electrons like a roller coaster ride. These energized electrons create adenosine triphosphate and NADPH. Think of them as the energy currency of the plants. An interesting fact is that one large tree can produce enough oxygen for 2 people each day through this process. 2. This is called the Calvin cycle, or the light-independent reaction. This process takes place in the stroma of chloroplasts. Here, adenosine triphosphate and NADPH are used to convert carbon dioxide into glucose. This glucose not only fuels the plant but also forms the foundation of the food chain. Without photosynthesis, we wouldn't have fruits, vegetables, or even the animals that depend on them. Why should we care about photosynthesis? Here are 2 compelling reasons. 1. Oxygen production. This process generates the oxygen we breathe, making it essential for the survival of most living organisms. In fact, marine algae produce about 50% of the oxygen in our atmosphere. Wow. 2. Food source. Plants are primary producers, forming the foundation of the food web and providing energy for all other living beings. This means all life on Earth is indirectly reliant on photosynthesis for energy. In summary, photosynthesis is a breathtaking process that connects all life on Earth. It demonstrates how sunlight can be transformed into energy. So next time you see a plant, remember the science happening beneath the surface, transforming light into life. I hope you gained a deeper insight to the remarkable process of photosynthesis. Thank you for watching.